Hello, my name is Paige Hodges, and I'm a sophomore biology major from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
Hi, my name is Marin Osborne. I'm a senior biology major, chemistry Spanish minor from Portland, Oregon.
Hi, my name is Monique Harvey. I'm a senior biology major from Denver, Colorado.
My name is Emma Wilkin, and I'm a sophomore biology major from Orlando, Florida, here at Howard.
Hello, my name is Delicia Utley. I'm a senior biology major from Durham, North Carolina.
Hi, my name is Amber Durant. I am a junior biology major, chemistry minor from Atlanta, Georgia, and I am an undergraduate researcher in the Burke Lab. For the past 3 semesters, my lab mates and I have been working on the Mid-Atlantic Megalopolis project at Howard University. This project has allowed us to experience the rich history of natural history collections and their invaluable contribution to research.
So at Howard, for Howard's Herbarium, I'm working broadly, I guess, on the digitization project. I also help at the back end, where the label data needs to be transcribed.
Currently, I'm helping with the sorting of the specimens as well as some imaging.
I started barcoding where we would have the plant specimens and we were entering them into their herbarium. I feel like natural history is what kind of made me attached to botany in general. So
Currently, I'm kind of working on 2 projects, imaging and putting all of the herbarium specimens into the database online, and I'm also working on growing my own plants to make my own research project.
So right now what I'm working on is the Mid-Atlantic Megalopolis project, and this is basically step 3 of that project where we're image processing. The first 2 steps included like sorting throughout our specimens and then imaging the specimens. So what I'm doing right now is just going throughout all the specimens that we imaged in this batch, and we're just looking at how focused it is when we zoom in, just to make sure that it is focused, as well as making sure that the barcode number matches the file number. So we're just making sure that everything is set and looks good before we put it online.
Living in Washington, D.C. gives us so many different advantages compared to other colleges, universities, educational programs, you name it. So I was able to actually go into the National History Museum and look at their herbarium and do essentially a study on poison ivy over the past 100 years. So being able to do that and see the real world implications of increased CO2 and how it makes the poison ivy bloom sooner and possibly increase the toxicity, it really makes you go, wow, even though these plants are collected from over 100 years ago, they have implications in what's happening right now.
So I've worked with natural history collections a few times in this lab. One particular time was over spring break when we took a lot of pictures. We barcoded all the herbarium specimens, and then we also helped transcribe them into the database. This was really interesting work because you get to look at herbarium specimens that are from like a really long time ago, and you get to see what kind of plants were around. And sometimes, if you go back to those places that are stated on the label, they don't have those same plants anymore, just because things change over years, and it really is helping us have a better understanding of how plants are changing over time.
Lately there's been a lot of hubbub around climate change, and I think it's important to have these herbarium specimens because lots of the plants that are collected don't occur in the same places anymore just because everything has changed so much. And so it's nice to be able to go back and see what was there before and maybe sequence some DNA and to see how everything's changed.
History is important in general, and that's what this research is about, documenting the old plants that have been around. So it's very interesting just to know what was here and what's now here.
I just like anything nature, plants, animals in general. And I'd never seen a natural history collection before. And before I got to Howard, I'd never heard of an herbarium. I was like, what's an herbarium? And actually seeing all of the old specimens and really how old they can be, like from the 1800s, that just fascinates me. So like, I love working with them and being able to see them and seeing how well they're preserved. Like, I really like it.
The first project that I worked on in Dr. Burke's lab was transcribing the
information off of the labels in our Caribbean collection, and it was just really interesting to see all the different plants that we had collected, where they were from. You know, the Caribbean, it might seem small, but in actuality it's pretty vast, especially with the diversity of the plants that it has. And so it was just really interesting to see, you know, that diversity and all those different plants, and I just really loved working with them. So yeah.